Hi, and welcome to another fundamental lesson. This lesson will be teaching you how to use a capo. Now, clamping a capo on the fingerboard of your guitar will instantly let you change the key of the guitar without having to learn new chords. This will come in handy if you accompany a singer whose vocal range is better suited for another key. So, to use a capo, you simply clamp it onto the desired fret note you would like, and the key of the guitar was going to be changed. So, let's see. Let's take the capo and we're going to put it on the G note right in here, which is the 3rd fret. I'm going to grab the capo and I'm going to put it on. And when you put it on, what you want to make sure is that it's not bending the strings sideways any at all. You want it just to press straight down. You don't want it to do any bends in the string, so it has to be straight down. Okay. So now you have changed the pitch of all the strings. Let's go back to what I mentioned about not learning new chords. Adding the capo has allowed you to change the key of the guitar without changing the shape of your chords. So if you knew a song that was a G minor to an E minor to a C and a D, you can now play those same shapes up here, whereas you couldn't do that before. So it has open strings in it. So now you can effectively change the key of your song without changing the shapes of your chords. And it's very handy, especially when you're playing with a singer. This has been another fundamental lesson on GuitarGuy.tv. Thanks for tuning in.